Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python string formattings with %sign symbol. Right. So now coming to, first of all, what is the string in Python programming? So string is a collection of any characters in Python programming. So coming to the definition, it goes like this: collection of characters represented in single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. So here, example, hello in single quotes, welcome to Python in double quotes. We can also use triple single quotes, triple double quotes to represent a string in multi-line. So basically, every string in Python is provided with indexes, and these indexes range from 0 to n-1. For example, SS hello. For every character you will have an index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. HELLO. And Python also provides backward indexes from right to left: -1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, -5. So we can use this indexes with slice operator to access individual characters of a string. Example, SS of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or SS of -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Now coming to formatting a string, basically whenever we are using display method with %sign symbol. So this is used to represent a string data with format specifiers, same as C style of programming. For example, %sign_d is used for int data type in C, %sign_f is used for float, %sign_s is used for string, %sign_c it is used for single character data. But anyhow, in Python we don't have single character data. We have to represent a single character, same as string. So along with this format specifiers, we have to use again %sign to bind format specifiers with values in print method. Okay, right. So for example, we can take roll number, name, height, one integer, one string, one float. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program for clear understanding. So first take comments at the beginning of the program. So next I'm taking here roll number 1001, name, Sai, height 6.2. So print student details with format specifier. Okay. So now roll number. So roll number is %sign_d. It is a format specifier to represent, okay, integer. So we have to say %sign followed by roll number. So this roll number will be replaced in place of %sign_d. Similarly, name %sign_s. So end of the string %sign_s name. So s name will be displayed in the place of %sign_s. Similarly, height %sign_f, %sign_height. So height will be displayed in place of %sign_f inside a string. So let us execute till here. Height. So save the program in your working directory. So come to the command prompt where you have saved the program and then run it. Python string format specifiers example1.py. So roll number %sign_d 1001, name %sign_s, Sai, height %sign_f 6.2. Now we can also represent all three in a single line using print. I'm taking new line student data. So print roll number %sign_d tab space name %s, tab space, height, %f, end of the string. After that, %. So here we have three format specifiers inside a string. So we have to represent that, okay, using circle parenthesis, roll number, name, height. So first roll number will be displayed in place of %d, name, %s, and height, %f. So save this, come to the prompt and run it. So roll number, %d 1001, name, %s, psi, tab space, height, %f 6.2. So multiple data using format specifier. So %, we have to put that in circle brackets separated with comma. So this is how we are supposed to work with string formattings with %, same as C style in Python programming also. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.